What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is the second time that I'm making this video. The first time I made it, I was trying to make it really fast, and even though I said some stuff, it might have been received the wrong way, so I'm just going to go ahead and remake it. The first time I made this video, we painted the drag hag's pants. This time we're just going to be demonstrating on a plastic spoon. This video is just going to be a quick video explaining how I thin down the craft paint for the airbrush. So this is the drag hag. I'm currently working on her. So the body is all done with the craft paint, airbrushed, a little bit of hand brushing as well. Her top there is all just craft paint, hand brushed. Coming along pretty good. The only thing that's not craft paint on this is the hat. The hat is Createx colors, Wicked colors, the Wicked Pearl Lime Green. Also, the stroller is Createx Candy 2.0. So when thinning out the acrylic paint, just use water. Don't use windshield wiper fluid like a lot of these channels recommend. Do not use Windex or some other concoction where you're mixing chemicals together with other solutions. I do not recommend that. If you're going to buy stuff to mix together or use windshield wiper fluid, you might as well just buy a approved reducer to thin out the paint, as it is going to work a little bit better than this method. But this method is just using bottled water or regular water. It works the same, like you can see. This is the method that I use, and it works. There's a lot of videos out there saying to use Windex and all that other stuff, like washer fluid, and I do not recommend. So for consistency, this is what we're looking for. You still want it to be free flowing. And if you can, you want it to slowly drip off of whatever you're stirring with. This is what works best for me. So for the airbrush that I am using, it is the Cool Runner. I've had this airbrush set up for 3 years. This is the Master Airbrush. So like I said, this is a pretty old setup that I got when I was just beginning. Eventually I'm going to upgrade it. So when I'm airbrushing, there is no tank on this, so it's going to continue to keep sucking in air, so you're going to keep hearing the air compressor go off, even though I'm just a little bit above 20 psi. So I'll go ahead and get to spraying and show you how the acrylic paint works with just water. So here is the acrylic paint in the airbrush paint cup, and we're going to start spraying now. So I'll go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here it is, all dry on the spoon here. Obviously, it is doable with just water. Like I said, I do not recommend using washer fluid, Windex, or any of the other crazy combinations that are out there that were on the video you saw before this one, or they're going to be on the video you see after this one. I do have Createx Wicked Colors, Wicked Black, but obviously this is way darker and way thinner. So this is the acrylic paint, just to clarify. But if you want to save a little bit of money, you can use acrylic paint and just water. This paint is $6.99 at Hobby Lobby. And the last time I was in Hobby Lobby, I think they even raised the price a little bit. But I will say that I do use this paint a lot, and it definitely is probably my favorite paint brand to use is the Createx colors, especially the variety of when it comes to the candy paints. I was just doing this video to kind of inform you because when I was first starting to airbrush, I came across all those crazy videos, and obviously they're just spewing false information. You do not want to use windshield washer fluid or any of that other crazy stuff. So if you've learned something from this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for all the support you've shown the channel recently. It's definitely appreciated. Hopefully you guys have a good week, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.